Does Virat have one more WTC cycle in him?
नहीं, नहीं. On current form,
On fitness, he has.
fitness है.
But with Virat, my case has always been, as I have always said, it's not about physical fitness, it's about mental fitness. He has been playing continuously. There was a time when he was lifting the team alone on his shoulders for those 2015 to 2018 phase. And I look at him and I see a mentally exhausted guy. Even though he says he's refreshed after taking a break and everything, he looks like a tired guy. वो face पे वो हम कहते हैं aggression चला गया. I believe he's tired. He's just so tired. Physically he's fit. He'll be the fastest guy in the team still. But mentally, do you think he can play on physical fitness? He can play till 40, 41. But do you think his mental phase or his mental exhaustion will play a part and he'll retire way before he should?
Again, if we're talking about 27 ODI World Cup in South Africa being the final push for him, I can see him playing that.
Yeah.
क्योंकि वनडे में इतना फॉर्म खराब नहीं है. वर्ल्ड कप तो he had a great World Cup. वर्ल्ड कप के बाद
IPL, he had a good IPL.
नहीं, I'm talking about one-day cricket. He only played those three matches in Sri Lanka. Those were tough tracks. The ball was doing, I think, 3 times he was ABW or bowled.
Yeah.
South Africa में वो condition नहीं बनी. South Africa is the best place for him to go and find some form. But unfortunately, there's still two plus years.
Yeah.
I don't see him in 2027 at the age of 38 playing. And I think the World Cup comes after the WTC cycle या उसके पहले आएगा.
After, I believe.
तो आप कह रहे हो कि 2 साल WTC खेलना पड़ेगा, उस बीच फिलाना random one day. He'll have to pick and choose one day tournaments.
We rarely play any one
But
day.
I'm saying he won't be able to do IPL plus 2 years of Test cricket and a World Cup. He'll have to take the call, and I'm saying let him play the one day World Cup. Give him the final chance to win it. No.
So he has often said Test cricket will always be my priority, and I will he leave Test cricket at the last? And I don't think he'll go, and BCCI will let him go without a farewell. We have talked about farewells.
No, he will get a farewell. But again, you're looking at फिर तो he'll go to England, and what if he see, look, his average is dipped, no?
Yeah.
Does he want to go to England? Again, he can go to England and score 600 runs.
Yeah.
Possible है, विराट कोहली है. But अगर नहीं चला, किस मुंह से farewell? Let's just be negative for a little bit longer. Let's say he had a terrible time in Melbourne and Sydney. 6 months down the line, he goes to England and he has a terrible series.
Yeah.
Fans की आवाज और बढ़ गई. Media की आवाज और बढ़. He's losing goodwill and faith. Farewell. लाख लोग तो देखने आएंगे. But imagine he averages 20 in 5 tests in England, and the writing's on the wall. क्या फायदा उस farewell का? I don't know who's coming in October, but I know October is the next home test match.
Yeah.
10 महीने बाद, and if he scores runs, then you won't give him farewell. तो farewell का idea ही आता है जब खत्म है player ना.
Yeah.
और जब player खत्म है, कौन सा farewell? It's a tough one, and fans are always going to be divided on this.
I would love to know what the fans think about this. Do write to us in the comment section down below.